Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's unlock our smartphone and open the settings, then tap to the home screen and wallpaper section and tap to always on display. After that we can see here the different temps which we can set to our device home screen. For example, let's use the digital clock, or for example this one. We can change here for example, let's use this temp, and we can also here show the date, notifications for many apps, and battery status. And just let's here tap to apply, and we can see that watch has successfully changed the always on display temp here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.